Welcome to MyMedicalRecords, the most powerful, versatile online personal health record. A personal health record is a collection of all the information accumulated when you visit your doctors. Keeping all of this information in one place is very important, particularly since you and your family probably see many different health providers. Unfortunately, one may not always know exactly what the other is doing. This can lead to having the same procedure performed twice, costing you unnecessary money. Or worse, if you forget to tell your doctors that you're taking certain medications, you could experience a dangerous drug interaction. So, how do you put all this critical information into one place where you can access it whenever you need it, anytime, anywhere in the world? The answer? MyMedicalRecords. With MyMedicalRecords, you can store the actual copy of your records, like lab reports, x-rays, and patient charts, with all the information. And it's so easy to use. When you enroll in MyMedicalRecords, you get your own private lifeline number and stickers that authorize your doctor to fax your records right into your MMR account. The fax is transmitted using encryption technology directly into your online account, and you are notified instantly via email or text message. All you have to do is log into your password-protected account and view a copy of the record in a PDF format, and all the information that you or your doctors need to know. Then you can file the record in your MMR document filing cabinet. You get 16 file folders that you can name and organize information any way you want, so it's easy to find when you need it. You can store information for up to 10 family members, even pets, in a single MMR account. Notice how 4 of the folders can only be accessed with secondary passwords. This provides an extra layer of security for storing private documents. Plus, with MMR, you can upload files and add digitized records directly to your account. MyMedicalRecords also contains a separate password-protected online MyESafe deposit box for all your vital life documents, like wills, birth certificates, insurance policies, photos of family, pets, and property, as well as advanced directives for healthcare. For example, you're traveling abroad and total nightmare. You lose your passport. If you have your passport securely stored at MyMedicalRecords, it wouldn't be such a tragedy. You would be able to access your scanned document from any internet-connected computer in the world and print it out to assist in its replacement. Or even worse, you're on vacation and disaster strikes. Your home is consumed by fire, flood, or earthquake, and all your vital records like insurance documents, important receipts, and treasured family photos are lost in the blink of an eye. All would be saved if they were protected within the virtual safe of your MyMedicalRecords account. MyMedicalRecords is also a health information center with useful tools to better manage your family's health care. For example, you get an automated drug interaction tool of more than 20,000 medications. You can check for adverse reactions from any medications you're taking, both prescription and over-the-counter. MyMedicalRecords also links you to an interactive encyclopedia with more than 3,000 health topics. With your MyMedicalRecords account, you can easily create and print out a complete medical history for everyone in your family. So you may not have to fill out all those annoying forms every time you visit a new doctor. Plus, with a built-in calendar, MMR can remind you when it's time to refill prescriptions or go to the doctor, with reminders sent right to your computer or smartphone. Your MyMedicalRecords account is also a fully integrated fax messaging service at no extra charge. You can send and receive faxes right from your computer with no limit on the number of pages. MyMedicalRecords could save you more than $200 a year right there alone. Your lifeline number also accepts voice messages from your doctor or anyone that you can save in your account.
This is Dr. Jones calling regarding your lab result.
MyMedicalRecords has one feature that can truly be a lifesaver. With MMR, medical personnel can access critical information about you in the event of an emergency in which you cannot communicate. What would happen if you or someone you loved suddenly became ill in a strange city far from home, or even another country? If you had a MyMedicalRecords account, responders would find a sticker on your ID with instructions on how to log into your emergency view. Emergency personnel would enter your user ID and emergency password to access critical information you've decided you want doctors to see in an emergency, like allergies and medications you're taking, information that could prevent a deadly error. When it comes to peace of mind, MyMedicalRecords is invaluable. Of course, the information in your medical records is extremely confidential, so your MMR account is protected by state-of-the-art encryption throughout the site. Your records are stored in multiple off-site data centers that meet the most stringent standards for security and reliability and are consistently monitored for any security vulnerabilities. You are in total control of what goes into your account and whom you share it with. No one has access to any of the information in your account unless you grant permission. There are dozens of ways MyMedicalRecords helps you take control of your family's health. The best way to experience the power and usefulness of MyMedicalRecords is to try it for yourself. MyMedicalRecords, the future of your health at work today.